I'm Valerie.
Marisela.
We're presenting on the nervous system. One characteristic of all living things is that they can react to their environments. A stimulus, the plural being stimuli, is any condition in the environment that produces a reaction in an organism. Stimuli can include light, temperature, movement, pressure, chemicals, and sound. An organ's reaction to a stimulus is a response. Your body has two systems for responding to internal and external stimuli. The first is the endocrine system. Recall that the endocrine system produces chemicals called hormones. Each hormone reacts in a specific organ, directing it to respond to a specific stimulus in a certain way. The nervous system is the other organ system that enables your body to respond to changing conditions. The nervous system uses electrochemical signals to direct responses to stimuli. Unlike hormones, the electrochemical signals of the nervous system are not organ specific.
The nervous system is the body system that controls and coordinates body activities, including responses to internal and external stimuli. It consists of two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The main structures of both parts of the nervous system are shown in the diagram.
The central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord. The main functions of the central nervous system are to relay messages, process information, and analyze information. The central nervous system also receives nervous impulses from body parts and sends nervous impulses to body parts.
The peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves and related cells that are not part of the brain or spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is further divided into the somatic nervous system and the automatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system regulates activities that are under your conscious control, such as the movement of limbs. By contrast, the autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary activities such as beating of the heart,
Individual nerves are called neurons. Bundles of neurons make up nerves. The nerves from a network that transmit information throughout the body. A typical neuron has three main parts: a cell body, an axon, and dendrites. The cell body contains the nucleus and other cell organelles. Dendrites are short, slender branches that extend from the cell body. They carry messages towards the cell body. An axon is a single long projection that extends from the cell body. It usually has a branched end. The axon carries messages away from the cell body. The diagram shows a typical neuron. All animals except sponges have simple nervous systems or at least have nerve cells. The simplest type of nervous system is the nerve net, a network of nerves that transmits messages throughout the animal. Hydras and some other invertebrates have nerve nets. The axon of one neuron and the dendrite of another, and the space between them is collectively called a synapse. The job of neurons is to transmit information. A neuron communicates with other neurons and and organs using electrochemical signals called nerve impulses.
like most other animals, you have sense organs that enable you to monitor what is happening in your surroundings. Human sense organs include the eyes, ears, tongues, nose, and skin. Each sense organ in humans and other mammals detects a different type of stimulus. Your skin detects several kinds of stimulus, including pain, pressure, and heat. Sense organs detect stimuli throughout sensory receptors. Sensory receptors are specialized structures at the end of the sensory neurons that respond to specific types of stimuli. These receptors convert to stimuli to nerve impulses that carried by sensory neurons to the brain, which interrupts the impulses.